Simple rules that can protect against dangerous diseases. We want to inform you of the important information that we learned through a new study by American scientists. It turns out that eating daily calories helps the body not only feel in harmony with its body, but also prevents a variety of diseases from harming our body. So, a calorie intake of 10 hours can be a preventative measure for diabetes, obesity, and liver diseases and thus extend our life. In humans, like animals, there are genes that are responsible for digestion during the day and cellular repair at night. When this is disturbed, it is extremely difficult for the body to balance the time it takes to maintain metabolic functions. And this is fraught with further health problems. The experiments were performed on mice. They were divided into two groups. From the first, rodents were given round-the-clock access to food. The rest was limited to 10 hours. The composition of the food was the same for everyone. As a result, it happened that mice from the first group showed signs of obesity and diabetes. Another group was able to maintain health and their weight did not change at all. So, make the right conclusions for yourself. Take care of your health. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.